So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today I again represent you a very important product unboxing video. So if you follow my channel previously, then you can see on my previous videos on my channel that I previously unboxed a Boston mattress. So similarly, today I unbox one of the most popular mattress in my channel. So because this is the second time I unbox any mattress on my channel, so today I unbox a Kurlon mattress. So before I go into the deep into this matter, so first I want to say some sentence and words on it. So all you know that the Kurlon is one of the most famous band famous brand in India regarding this mattress manufacturing. So I know that the Kurlon in not only in India as well as some other Asian countries also they sell their mattress because they have some kind of other businesses as well. So similarly, in I hope in near future they have very big company also. So today I unbox the Kurlon Dream Sleep mattress on my channel. Okay, so this is the Kurlon Dream Sleep single bed edition. So actually, I ordered this mattress for my hostel bed because as you see from the background, I shoot this video in my hostel. So if you follow my channel previously, then I give you a room tour of this room in my room tour video. So that means and what is the similarities between my home and my hostel room. So no more talk. Let's unpack the Kurlon Dream Sleep single bed mattress. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So this is not any After Effects. Uh, so friends, as you can see that this is my hostel room. So I already give a room tour of this hostel in my room tour video. So this is my Kurlon single bed mattress. So it's look like a very big mattress, but yeah, I think that this is a double bed mattress, but later I this is a single bed mattress because the size is very big. So I am extremely satisfied with this product. So as you can see that, so okay, so I give you each and every detailed review of this product and as well as unboxing also. So okay, so this is so rigid, that means there is so much reflexible. So okay, so this is very good for your back pain also. So let's unpack this. So actually a very so okay, so as you can see that this is a very big size. So now what I so here, so as you can see that I use the this same scissor. Okay, so here this is the scissor. So they actually the packaging of the Flipkart is very good. So now see, so I don't see previously because I always want to share with you people because you are my inspiration. I make videos for you. So actually the cutting sensation is very good. Wow. So the packaging of the whoa. Okay, so here I have to cut it from this side also. Actually this the packaging is very good because I so friends, as you can see that after move out the plastic from this cartons, and this is the so this is the plastic. So this is looks like the Kurlon, India's largest selling mattress. So let's see the some kinds of branding here. So this is the as you can see that they are the Kurlon is also active on Facebook, Twitter, on YouTube also. So okay, so the same branding here. So this is the Kurlon Dream Sleep single bed mattress. Okay, so now let's see some functionalities of this product. So as you can see that this is written here that this is a side support. That means the side support of this product is very good, and this is the ultra fresh. That means there is no sweating problem. Okay, so and this is the anti dust mate. So if you use any regular mattress, I hope there is some kind of itching issue and skin irritation, and if you have allergy on your skin, then this mattress is very very good. Okay, and this is antimicrobial also, that means anti-parasites also, that means there is no risk of infection using this mattress, and anti-bed bug. Okay, because if you see this video from United States or any other European country or American country, and I hope the old countries are very familiar with this this bed bug, because bed bug is not popular in Asia or India. This bed bug is very very harmful in cold countries like Europe or America. Okay, so this is also anti bed bug also. This bed bug is very dangerous, so using this Kurlon Dream Sleep mattress you can easily get rid from all of this matter. This is anti bed bug, anti dust mite, anti microbial, ultra fresh, side support. So okay, so another thing is there is another layer of plastic which is not visible in the camera, but okay, as you can see that this is a plastic layer, but I suggest you to don't cut off the plastic, use along with the plastic. So now I use this mattress, this is single bed mattress. Some friends previously said that in the first look when the Flipkart employees come to my home and they deliver this product on my house, first I think that this is a double bed because the white is very very good. Okay, so this is my Boston mattress previously, because I have some little brother in my hostel and who told me that they take this Boston mattress in my home, so in their room. Okay, so that's why I choose to buy another Kurlon Dream Sleep mattress. So okay, so if you I assume you that there is only one Kurlon Dream Sleep unboxing video on YouTube. This is my second, because the popular YouTuber Anupama Jha who unboxed this Kurlon Dream Sleep mattress on her channel, because okay, so on her channel, because she unboxed the Kurlon mattress white edition and I unboxed this regular red edition. I bought it from Flipkart, so you can also purchase this mattress from Amazon also. So I already give the Amazon purchase link in the video description. Make sure that you check it from my link. And as you can see that I use this single bed mattress in this single bed room. So now I familiar with this this bed size. What is the bed size? So I ordered this mattress. The mattress bed size is single bed. That means the wide mean the height means this called the height. This size called the height. Okay, so that means this size called the height. This is 6 inch. This 6 inch, the mattress height is 6 inch, and the wide means from this point to this point 32 inch. The mattress height is 6 inch and the wide is 32 inch, and the length is from this point to that point. That's called the length. That means this is the whole, that's called length. The length of the mattress is 72 inch. Okay, so I again tell you, the mattress is the height is 6 inch and the wide is 32 inch and the length is 72 inch. Okay, so whenever you purchase any mattress, so not only this applicable for Kurlon Dream Sleep mattress, so whenever you purchase any kind of mattress or any kind of bed related product, so I suggest you to make sure that you properly measure your bed first, and after that you purchase it, because from online you have some kind of replacement or return policy, but in offline store they don't have such kind of policy. That means if you don't satisfy the product, there is no return option there. So okay, so no more talk. So let's fit this Kurlon Dream Sleep mattress in this bed. So okay, so okay, so here, so actually I shoot this video in my hostel and I have to set up this in my room. This is very very tough to me to holding the phone in one hand and shoot this video. Okay, so okay, so let's, another thing is, whenever you use this Kurlon Dream Sleep mattress, you can, the beauty of this mattress is you can use the both side of this mattress, because some of the mattress has you have to folded using one side after 6 months of use, you need to fold it this another part after 6 months of use. There is no need to fold this part, that part. Okay, so this is a very good things of this mattress. You don't need to fold in a certain limit of amount of time. Okay, another thing is, if you I suggest you to not to cut out the plastic from this, because I hope the mattress, if you put the plastic from here, if you cut the plastic of this mattress, then there is some kind of dirt things. So I know this is anti dust mattress or anti bed bug, but my suggestion is don't cut the plastic of the mattress. This is very, very good looking. So now another thing is, I suggest you that you can use some kind of bed cover on it, and after that you install the mattress. Okay, so now let's install the mattress. So friends, now as you can see that I successfully installed this mattress in my bed. So, and now just, whoa, this is so much bouncy here. So okay, so as you can see that I am working like a dozer machine on this. So whoa, I have a 32-bit command here. So okay, hey enemy. Okay, so as you can see that this the mattress is so okay. What a jump here. So if you have some naughty boy in your home, you can also some kind of back flick also. So so okay, so as you can see that this is a very, very good product. So actually the side support of this product is very, very good. So as you can see that if I punch up on this mattress, so as you can see that my hand is a little kind of damaged after. Okay, so as you can see, this is the little this is a written here, this is the same thing. This is anti-dust, anti-microbial cardiopodic technology. So again, I already give the Amazon purchase link of this product in my video description. If you like the product so much, then suggest you to buy it from my link. And as you can see that this is my Kurlon mattress. This is a Kurlon branding here. So okay, so now let's, and here this is, sorry for the light, but it is written here that Kurlon Dream Sleep, and the same thing antimicrobial blah 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 written here. The size is this size, the height is 6 inch and the width is 32 inch and the length is 72 inch. So whenever you buy this or using online e-commerce website like Flipkart or Amazon, you have to choose the perfect size. So in my case, I have this size fit on my bed. So in your case, there may be some kinds of sizing issue. So first I suggest you to make sure that you properly measure your bed, and after that select the size before placing the order, because here you have to select the single bed, double bed. So single bed also have some kind of variation like 6 into 72 into 6 into 32 into 72, 6 into 35 into 72. So this is the my size is 6 into 32 into 72 inch. So this is the single bed. Okay, so there are two variation in single bed and 3 variation in queen size bed and 2 variation is king size bed. Okay, another thing is, you can previously say you before putting the mattress in your bed, you for safety you use a additional bed sheet in the below layer of this mattress, and you can also use some kinds of another bed cover of this mattress before sleeping on it. So this is like kind of Indian culture. Okay, we also take care of our products. Okay friends, I am extremely happy with this product. So because I tested so many mattresses in my college life, because none other close to this quality of this mattress. This is one of the best mattress in this 10,000 price range. So previously used the Boston mattress. My brother want to use this Boston. I ditched the Boston mattress because this Boston mattress is extremely soft. That mattress also good, but my brother wants so much that. That's why I give the mattress to him, and I use this Kurlon Dream Sleep. So okay friends, both mattresses are good. Now it's your choice. Okay, so this is so much bouncy here. So as you can see that if I give the full pressure of my body, then he gave me a Newton third law of motion bounce back. Okay, so okay friends, and another thing is, if you follow my channel previously, actually friends, I tell this line so many times because I do some kind of great things on my channel previously. That's why I always told you to, if you follow my channel previously. So in the last video, in one of the last video on my, I unboxed this Kurlon Dreams. This is not this Kurlon pillow. So okay, this is also good. If you don't watch the unboxing of this pillow, then I already give this video link in this video description, this dream sleep mattress video description. Make sure that you watch this the unboxing of this product also, unboxing video of this Kurlon pillow also. So this Kurlon pillow and this Kurlon bed, so if you are a husband and wife, and if you are a partner, then this is the best combination for your new marriage life. So this Kurlon mattress and Kurlon pillow. So I hope that. So another thing is, Kurlon recently released some wedding design mattress. Okay, so I hope you like that design also. So there are so many, so I suggest you to check not only this dream sleep mattress, or as well as that wedding mattress also. So okay, so this, I hope now my hostels look like a great combination. So now feed this pillow properly. So okay, so now this is my hostel looks like. This is a $1 hostel. This is extremely poor person live in this. So okay, so and now, so the mattress is the main thing I forget to tell you, I bought it from Flipkart at 8,900 rupees. 8, not 900, 8,699 something, some amount of, I don't properly remember the exact price. So this is the, and the maximum price is 10,000. So it's also depend on the seller. That means seller to seller, and it also depend on your location of delivery. So some the charges may be included or excluded. So okay, so here this is the most expensive product in my house after my laptop. I am not also expensive like that. So as you can see that this mattress, this is a warranty card, and it is written here that this mattress comes with 5 years warranty. That means if you face any difficulties regarding the product quality issue, then you can contact customer support, and they give you a very valid service as well. And here as you can see that if you see the Anupama Jha madam's video on this Kurlon Dream Sleep mattress, one of it children is jump into the mattress. Okay, now I am extremely eagerly to copy this movements. Okay, so now as you can see that the mattress is very soft. So as you can see that this mattress is so much soft, and as you can see this is a mattress, and this is the last jump. As you can see that the mattress is very soft. So okay, so this is the one of the best quality mattress. So okay, and friends, the last thing I want to show you, and make sure that my lock is on. Okay, so and the last thing I want to share about the mattress is that's why this the last part is very important. Make sure that you watch until end. So here as you can see that I rotate my bed here to only this video purpose. The okay, so last thing is, this mattress has two opposite side. That means here one side and this is another side, and this many people does not know that this mattress has some soft part as well as this hard part also. It depends on what type of comfort you want from your mattress. If you want a hard part, hard type of comfort, then this size is okay. So I am sure that it is not understandable in camera properly. You just touch each and every side, and you can understand that which part is very hard or which part is very soft. Okay, so make sure that you properly check the two side. It depends on your comfort zone. If you some kind of want a hard type of mattress, then this side, and if you want some kind of soft mattress, then this side is okay. So okay, so this is the last thing which I want to say in this video. So okay friends, if you have any query regarding this, then feel free to comment down below. I try my best to resolve your issue. Okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends. So okay friends, goodbye.